Lisbon in 24 hours. See, do, eat. Ever wondered how to make the most of just 24 hours in Lisbon? With its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture, Lisbon promises an unforgettable adventure, even in a single day. Lisbon's charm lies in its unique blend of old and new. This guide will help you explore the city's iconic landmarks, savor its delicious cuisine, and immerse yourself in its lively atmosphere. Start your day at Mantegaria with a traditional Portuguese breakfast. The aroma of freshly baked pastries and the rich, creamy coffee will energize you for the day ahead. Next, visit the iconic Belém Tower. This historic fortress offers stunning views of the Tagus River and serves as a gateway to Lisbon's maritime past. Take a mid-morning break at Pastéis de Belém. The warm, flaky pastel de nata, with its creamy custard filling, is a must-try pastry that has delighted visitors for generations. Explore Jerónimos Monastery, a remarkable UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its stunning manual line architecture and intricate carvings tell the story of Portugal's age of discovery, captivating visitors with its historical significance and beauty. For lunch, head to Time Out Market. This bustling food hall offers a diverse range of Portuguese cuisines from renowned chefs, making it the perfect spot to savor Lisbon's culinary delights. Stroll through the picturesque streets of Alfama, Lisbon's oldest district. Its narrow, winding alleys are rich with history and charm, offering glimpses of traditional life and vibrant local culture. Hop on Tram 28 for a scenic tour of Lisbon's key neighborhoods. This iconic yellow tram provides a charming, nostalgic way to see the city's hills, historic landmarks, and picturesque streets. Take a mid-afternoon break at a cozy cafe in Chiado. Enjoy a freshly brewed coffee while soaking in the lively atmosphere and watching the world go by in this bustling district. As early evening sets in, visit São Jorge Castle for breathtaking panoramic views of Lisbon. This historic castle, perched atop a hill, offers a glimpse into the city's medieval past. After soaking in the views, head to Alex Factory. This vibrant hub is filled with trendy shops and captivating street art. It's a great spot to explore unique boutiques and creative spaces. For dinner, enjoy traditional fado music at a local restaurant. Indulge in authentic Portuguese cuisine while the soulful tunes of fado create an unforgettable dining experience steeped in culture and emotion. End your evening with a tranquil stroll along the Tagus River. The gentle breeze and shimmering waters provide a serene atmosphere, perfect for reflecting on the day's adventures in Lisbon. Finally, dive into Lisbon's nightlife in the lively Bairro Alto district. Here, the vibrant atmosphere and bustling bars ensure an exciting night, bringing your 24-hour adventure to a perfect close. The Belém Tower holds significant historical value as a defense fortress and ceremonial gateway to Lisbon. Jerónimos Monastery represents the pinnacle of manual line architecture, reflecting Portugal's maritime prowess. Both landmarks are UNESCO sites. Getting around Lisbon is seamless with its efficient tram and metro systems. The local currency is the euro, and while Portuguese is the official language, English is widely understood. When engaging with locals, a friendly attitude goes a long way. Always greet with a bom dia or boa tarde. Avoid discussing sensitive historical topics unless prompted by locals. Reflecting on a day spent in Lisbon, the city's blend of history, culture, and modernity stands out. The vibrant neighborhoods, delicious food, and welcoming people make it an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this guide, please like and subscribe for more travel tips. Share your thoughts and travel plans in the comments. Your engagement helps us bring more exciting content. Lisbon's charm lies in its blend of history, culture, and culinary delights, making it a city that captivates every visitor. This guide will help you experience the best of Lisbon in just 24 hours.